It's everybody, we're at the car. We finished shopping. Yes. We're gonna take a look at the Summit at City Place apartment building, but I'm not sure we're gonna accessible to which you have to go to the New York Sports Club elevator. Yeah. We're gonna go ride. We're gonna try to enter at the Summit at City Place in White Plains, New York. Yeah. And Loopy, this is your first time to ride on the elevator, so I guess you're gonna come with us. All right. Ella is going to be the tour guide of the Tower at City Place and the Summit at City Place, which is located at 6 City Place. Elinor and Fluttershy, we're gonna go. Okay, I'll put you away in your bag. Here we go. Okay, Junior, we're gonna go ride the elevator right here. Here we go. All right, let's go ride it. Okay. P7 will go to this. Oh, the button's white. It doesn't light up, it's white. The other side is yellow. And here it is. Let's see if we can access to. Here's the shaft equipment. Oh, you can see the elevator going down. Disa Ducey, hope you like this. All right, let's go to P7. That is so cool, the shaft equipment lantern. Uh-oh. It looks not, it doesn't look like an arrow. Oh, there it goes. It glitched. Looks like a line and now it's an arrow. This elevator is glitched. All right, let's try. This is right here, Summit at City Place. It's not an observation deck, it's in an apartment. All right, we're gonna wait for the next. You're the machine room. All right, we're gonna wait for the next elevator. We'll wait. Epic Motors. There's a nice heater. Let's see if we're gonna go access to them, I'm not sure. You could hold it. Oh, here it is. Excuse me. All right, Pete. Oh, whoa. Listen to this move. We're gonna take a look at this tour. Thank you, gentlemen. All right, everybody. We're gonna take a look at this nice hallway. Wow. Yeah, look nice. All right. A huge thanks, nice staff, allow me to do this. Look nice. At the end, you said? This is right here.
Yeah, that's outside. You can't go out there though because the alarm will go off.
All right. So instead, can I take a look at the window?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Okay. As you can see here, this is the emergency exit, so we're not going to open it. Right here, that's the a tennis ball. I don't know what's the name of it again. Right here, this is the New York Life building. Right here, this is the I don't know what's this name again. Look like tennis, but I think this is a pickleball. Wow. All right, we'll go back down to the elevator. It's like a small apartment, but a huge thanks for the staff for letting me allow to take this tour. There's no another elevator because this is a different. What do you think about this hallway, Fluttershy? Yeah, it kind of looks like a hotel. Well, it's not a hotel, it's an apartment. Residence, I think. Look at the nice picture frames. Here's the stairs, so I think it might be for emergencies. All right, let's exit here. And let's go get Elinor. Look at these statues, I really like them. All right, what do you think about this hallway, Elinor? We'll take a picture. Yeah. Actually, we'll take a picture of the door since this is the entry. Got permission. All right, I think it might be coming. So let's send this to down. Or this one. A huge thanks for the staff member for allowing me to take a tour of this apartment building. There are 2 Epic motors, so I think we get this one. Somebody's coming out, so I guess we're gonna lower the camera down since I know this is private property, but a huge thanks. I got permission. This is right here, so we'll go to R. Oh wait, 2 works. All right. We'll go up to 2, but we're not going to sports club. A huge thanks for the staff member to allow me to enter the cement at City Center. Thought it was the tower at City Place, so I got confused. All right, can I go? All right, we'll watch it. All right, we'll wait for the next. Oh, it's here. All right. All right, now we're gonna do a bonus. We'll go up to 2 since sports club is open. I think it closes until 9 o'clock. Once again, everybody, a huge thanks for the staff for allowing me to enter this building. But sadly, I just want to go to the Ritz-Carlton to ride the glass elevator. We're not going to get off at 2nd floor since... Alright. Go back down to the roof. Cement at City Center, City Place. Looks like a mini apartment building. Yep, this is the sports center. Alright. Alright, here we are. I'm gonna stop the camera, so we're gonna just get the door closed. Alright, so we'll take a picture of cement at City Center, City Place. Yeah. This is New York Sports Club. Alright, before we wait for the next elevator, let's take a look at the nice view. A huge thanks for the staff members for allowing me this. Sorry, I'm just feeling excited because of the staff. Oops, I hope it's copyrighted. I think it might be an event. Maybe at the... but we're not gonna go see an event. I hope tomorrow we're gonna bring the Zeke plush. I don't know when it's gonna come. This is One City Place, but we're not gonna go there since I don't want to get in trouble. Alright, let's go take a look. Alright, let's go back down. Look at that door. It's scratched. Here's the mailboxes for the cement at City's Place. Jim Lee elevators, I hope you like this. These are Schindler's. Let me stop. Alright, sorry about that for stopping the camera. Alright, let's go to P1. Alright, so we're gonna go take a look at the Spirit Halloween. Well, it's not open. It's still under construction, which is located at Barnes & Noble. Alright, everybody. I am so happy right now because I got permission. Here we are at P1. Look at that, you can see the elevator shaft. Here he goes. All right, we're gonna skip the door closed. Sorry, that's it.